Welcome to the channel, y'all. Welcome to the first episode of Cooking with Mad Dog Reviews. Welcome, everybody. I want to spice up the channel real quick, man. Do something different. So, there y'all see what we got going on here today. About to make some s'mores. Now, I already gonna put it, got the pan out. Spread them out or whatever. Back of this Hershey packages, got it toaster oven. So we got to build the marshmallow out the top ground and cook on the tray at 350 degrees until marshmallows begin to brown. And then you top with the other graham cracker in half, gently press and bow. So we're gonna set this thing on 350. You know what I'm saying? 350, man. Gonna put this thing on 350. Make sure ain't nothing in now. Okay? We're gonna set this thing on 350. Y'all see it? Now we're gonna place this. We're gonna place the s'mores until we're gonna place it into the oven. Y'all see it? There you go. I'm gonna close that bad boy up. And we're gonna be right back. Next up, man, we're gonna clean up while we're waiting. So, put this stuff up, man. Just checking on the marshmallows real quick. I mean the s'mores. See it? We're gonna come back in a second. Hey guys. Back. Just add these on. Final product. Now you might add the chocolate too. I forgot the chocolate first, but it's on now. So final product. Chocolate crushed down up in my so I don't melt it too much. Perfect. How you make s'mores, man? They got chocolate right there, y'all. Anyway, comment, like, subscribe. Keep watching more videos. I do another cooking video in the future. We'll see. Anyway, comment, like, subscribe, guys. Next time, peace.